What's the meaning of ally? Ally. 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 Ally.
An ally is someone who supports or helps another person, organization, or country in achieving their goals. Allies often have a mutual agreement to work towards a common purpose and may provide resources, assistance, or protection to each other. Having an ally can increase the chances of success for both parties and can create a sense of unity and shared responsibility. However, alliances can also be complex and require maintenance and communication to ensure that both parties continue to benefit from the relationship. Ultimately, allies are important for achieving common goals and building strong relationships.